So hello guys, what's up? I am Nishchay Bhagwal and today I am going to tell you about Chandrayan 3. The journey of landing on the moon began on 12 September 1959 when the first time the human-made object which was launched by the Soviet Union, now called Russia, it was the Luna 2, which was first human-made object to achieve a soft landing onto the surface of moon. First time when humans were sent by with the help of Apollo 11 space mission, which was launched by USA on 20th July 1969, which was headed by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. It made a historic feat. Seeing this enormous success, USA launched various other programs, like 6 crewed missions were then sent by USA in 1967 and 1972. India and China and USA and Russia are the only 4 countries to have been able to soft land over the surface of moon. Now you may be confused between hard landing and soft landing. What are they? In hard landing, the spacecraft intentionally crashes over the surface of moon, and in soft landing, it is a gentle landing and it is a controlled landing which is controlled by the space centers. So it is very difficult to achieve because of the rough and the mountainous terrain of moon. Now this process of sending spacecraft onto the surface of moon by India started on 22 October 2008, 8 days before my own birth, when the Chandrayan 1 was launched. On Children's Day in 14th November 2008, the impactor probe made the history by landing onto the surface of moon. Now, the place in which the lander of the Chandrayan 1, it landed over the surface of moon. This point was known as the Jawahar Sthal because it was the day 14th November and it was the birthday of former Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. So this place was known as Jawahar Sthal. So then comes the Chandrayan 2 mission. While its lander crashed onto the surface of moon and was destroyed, the orbital is still orbiting around moon. Now then comes the historic Chandrayan 3, which flew off from the earth on 14th July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. Now let me explain you the components of the integrated module that actually landed over the surface of moon. Here is the picture. It contains a lander module whose name was Vikram, and inside that lander module was a rover which named Pragyan. And the second thing was, beneath that lander module there was a propulsion module which helped in the propulsion of the integrated module. It successfully landed in 23rd August 2023, and the former Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, decided to celebrate this historic occasion as National Space Day. Now let me explain you the current status of the Chandrayan 3 mission. Now, as of now, the lander is landed at the Shiv Shakti Sthal, as it is called by the Indians. Okay, so one very interesting thing to consider is that it also made a jump over the surface of moon when by 40 centimeter, covering a distance of 30 to 40 centimeter. This historic feat has been achieved by the Vikram lander. And one also interesting thing about the Pragyan rover is that with the very tiny small speed of 1 centimeter per second, it has been like 15 days from now and it has traversed a total distance of 100 meters. Now one very interesting thing is that the distance between the China's spacecraft, the rover Chang'e 4, and the Pragyan rover is approximately 1899 kilometers. And if you reverse the first 2 digits, like 18 to 81, it becomes 8191 kilometer. And this is surprisingly the distance between the capital of India, which is Delhi, and the capital of China, which is Beijing. Spooky coincidence, isn't it? How do you like this video? If you want more informative videos like this, keep watching. Thank you.